Well, everybody, it's happened. President Trump has ordered a strike on Damascus. At this moment in time, they are striking. They are going with missiles. There is expected to be a second wave of attacks on Syria. From what I understand, he is attacking any government installations that have anything to do with chemical weapons. Russia has said that that they are going to attack
We should
our
not be condemning the
ships.
country or group of countries that might actually.
Sorry about that. Russia is going to attack our U.S. warships near Syria with torpedo attack. We have no fear. I don't want to take up much time. I want to get back to the reports, but I know a lot of my subscribers do not have TV, so I wanted you to know that the attack is underway as we speak, and there is expected to be a second wave. He wants to make this so damaging that it will make Assad think twice for doing it again. All right, now is the time, guys. Now is the time to pray. Bye-bye.